I am gonna now show you how to build your own paid membership community and how you're gonna get new members into it from your social media content, advertising and all those kind of things, and also how your membership community is connected then to your high ticket course coaching group mastermind value that you're gonna have in place. We're gonna overview this kind of simple diagram that I have built for you, and I have put here you running your membership community in the middle, and you're gonna charge for your membership community $7 to $49 per month for the people that are in there. And what they're gonna get is access to certain educational course of yours, the steps that they can take on their own when they come into the membership, so you can elevate them to this point of them being now able to consistently work on mastery of achieving certain outcome that you are teaching them as part of your membership. They can also get access to your monthly live call, to the Facebook group community of other people, and to other premium content as part of your membership community. You running your own membership community is going to allow you to have recurring income, and this is going to be the heart or the soul of your business. And then you're going to be able to upsell people also into your one-on-one coaching packages for $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000, right? And into your group mastermind, weekly group mastermind, where you're meeting with people and answering their questions and discussing certain topics. You're gonna charge for that one $50 to $200 a month or so. Or for your membership, you can also offer your members, if they pay upfront for a year ahead, they can pay you these bigger price points upfront. Instead of paying $50 a month, you can get them to pay, let's say, $500 a year or anything similar, right? So that's how you're gonna be making more money as well out of your membership community. But now let's overview this diagram of how you're gonna actually get people into your membership, right? So this is the marketing plan on the left side here, and it consists of certain traffic sources, right? Where you're gonna be pulling people from and attracting them with the content that you're gonna be creating, and then from your content you're gonna convert people into your membership customers. So they're gonna be now on this side of the fence, not in your free audience, not following you for your free content, but they're gonna be on this side of the fence as part of your community now, and that is where all the magic, the connection and all the other things are gonna be happening. So you having this membership offer, now you're gonna want to be posting social media content on social media, right? And that content is gonna give people an opportunity to join your membership, right? So you're gonna be teaching people certain value, you're gonna be promoting your membership to your audience, and you're gonna be calling to action at the end of this content business. And if you're gonna give them the link to your sales page, some of them will directly go into your membership community and join in, right? In other cases, from your content, you're gonna want to get people to join your email list. So you're gonna be giving away certain lead magnets like videos, PDFs, and people will raise hands for those, or they're gonna directly click the link from YouTube or from anywhere else, and they're gonna access those lead magnets, that material, and join your email list. And then you're gonna be sending email newsletters, extra content, right, to your email list and pushing people to join your membership. Or even, for example, out of the lead magnets, on the thank you page myself, I have a redirection for them to then go and learn more about the membership, right? So the direct way, or they stay on my email list, and now I'm sending emails out to people, and I'm getting them to reply to my emails, to answer questions back to me via emails, or I'm giving them the link to the membership, and I'm teaching them how it is to be part of my membership, and then they join my membership community, right? And another thing that's gonna happen here from your content that you're gonna be creating, you're gonna also get that engagement. People are gonna be commenting, and some people are gonna also reach out to you if you're gonna tell them to do that into the DMs, right? Or from your stories, people are gonna land into your DMs, and via those DMs, there exists a 3-step, 4-step formula script through which you can guide people to join your membership, right? And send them that link out in the DMs so they can join your membership. So as you can see, you're gonna be creating social media content just like this one that you are watching right now, and giving people then an opportunity to take that next step to join your membership, and then the rest will happen afterwards anyway, because they're gonna be in here in your paid community. I mean, there are ways to go directly into the high ticket. I know how to do those. I mean, you can get people to the DMs, to the sales call, or via emails directly into your high ticket offers. All of that's possible, but I would suggest you here to go simple, have your membership offer community, and get people into your paid community so you can have hundreds of people paying you $50 a month, and then the rest is gonna be happening as well, besides of you having this passive, recurring, predictable monthly income, right? Now, there exists certain audience expansion techniques. That's the way that I call these kind of traffic sources from which you can get more people to see your content, or you can get more reach with your content that you're posting, right? You will want to know these traffic sources because a lot of people are asking themselves, oh, where I'm gonna actually post my content? How are people gonna see my content? How I'm gonna reach more people? Where are my ideal clients, right? And this is the answer. Here is where they are, right? They are hanging out in either Facebook groups, YouTube, or your website, blog, article. It reaches via SEO the people organically, those people who are interested in certain keywords or tags, right? So YouTube and website, blog, they have their own special reach. If you do podcasts, right, running your own podcast, or you are participating on other podcasts, right, that gives you that reach, right? And these people can then like follow you, or they join your email list in any way. If you do certain joint venture collaborations with other people or affiliate partnerships, right, you can get a bunch of people on your email list and then into your membership. You can run Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google Ads, right? That's a paid way of you advertising and getting more people, more eyeballs on your content, or get them to your email list. And Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, they are also certain platforms on which you can build your audience, your following, right? And on those you can manually connect with your audience, and you also get certain organic reach on those if you're posting content and people follow you, and then they will be taking action, right? But if you're just starting out, I would suggest you strongly that you go into certain Facebook groups where your audience already exists. You go in there with your Facebook profile, you engage with them, connect with them, you friend request them. Same thing on LinkedIn, you friend request people, they're gonna now see your profile, and you're gonna be posting content on your profile, and people will be moved, right? I teach these strategies of traffic, content, lead generation in my other videos, in my other content pieces, so follow me for more, watch my other content pieces as well. But today I just wanted to explain you this full picture of how your membership community, your paid community, is the heart of your business, and it allows you to get then people also into your VIP group mastermind, one-on-one coaching, or you can sell packages for higher prices as well, and how your content helps you get new members into your membership. Just wanted to explain you this diagram. I also have recorded a 10-minute video where I teach you how you can choose your membership offer, how to put up certain sales page, payment process or system that charges people monthly recurring revenue, and also I teach you a content client attraction method of how to write or record your content videos that attract people and move them so they take action to join whatever offer of yours that you are promoting, right? If you want to watch that video, click the link down below, go get it. Right now it's a free video, and I also run a $7 per month build your paid community membership, where I actually will for $7 per month give you all of the resources, and through my course I'm gonna teach you how you can get ahead and build your membership and start executing on all of these things that I'm teaching you. Just click the link down below, watch the 10-minute free video, and then on that page I also explain you how you can become part of my $7 per month membership. Take action right now. If you have any questions, ask me down below. Follow me, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future valuable videos where I teach you how to build your own membership for recurring income.